So we get this question a lot. Why can't I just do this on my current molding machine? And so I wanted to take a minute and explain why that doesn't work. And so the first thing you need to know, machine pressure is not plastic pressure. And why is that important? It's important because if this is my machine pressure and I'm trying to control that to be constant, my plastic pressure is anything but constant. And in fact, it's not constant, and it's increasing typically, and at the end of the fill, it might be about equal to your pressure, but it might even start considerably lower. So it's not a constant pressure scenario. These things create hesitations. They create very inconsistent processing conditions. You know, why does it matter? Flow hesitation, unstable process, inconsistent quality. So the second thing that you need to know is the machine has to be tuned to run this process. If it's not tuned, you're going to overshoot, undershoot, both bad. You're going to have sluggish tuning, and in your machine, you know, when you order your machine from the OEM, the machine is capable of a lot of, you know, tuning aggressively, less aggressively, but it's not something that the OEM typically allows the process engineer to use in setting up their press. It's usually up in some service level access. And so you're working with a generic set of tuning parameters that for one mold, it might look great. For the next mold, it might look like this, and the next mold, it might look like that, because it's not optimized for the actual part material and conditions that you're running under. So again, going to create flow hesitation, unstable process, inconsistent quality. So the final thing you need to know is that you have to be able to react to what's actually happening. You know, if your viscosity drifts around, you might be able to set a process up, but you're dancing on the head of a pin, so to speak, in terms of your process window. If your viscosity goes up or down and you don't compensate for it, you've got a short or you got flash, but you definitely, even before that, you've got big weight variation and part variation. And so the processing parameters, the knobs you have to be able to turn, have to be able to compensate for those changes when they occur. Your standard machine control is just simply not capable of that. And so again, you know, short shots, flash, inconsistent quality, those are the things that are going to occur. And so hopefully I explained why this is not really a possibility with your existing press. But of course, you know, with our system, we can make any press be able to produce this process, and we work with the OEMs to be able to create the capability to do that really with any OEM that it's interested in working with us.